Well, welcome back to Alaska Woodyard, everyone.
Hi.
So today, well, this evening, it's 8:30 at night, still nice and bright here, Thursday evening, before Easter. We were kind of debating on whether to do a video or not, and then we decided we'll do a quick 8 or 10 minute video. We'll see how it turns out here. So we'll take you around the woodyard and show you our accomplishments we've got done the last week or so here, and we'll take you in the Gizmo and take you for a ride around.
All right. Come on, Isabel. Come here.
So we have a woodhound.
Good girl. Good girl. She likes riding in the Gizmo.
So Jill cut today. She's slowly getting and got a fire going. Slowly adding on to her pile.
Our big, beautiful pile.
Want to stop here a sec? So the wood is drying out. It's slowly drying.
Even with the wind that we had this afternoon. We had a bunch of rain, so it had to shut down production.
You see you have a little woodhound tag in you. So what do you have over here, Jill? You have your
Beetle kill spruce.
bundle wood all dry. So we've been slowly collecting this from the contractor. We asked him to save some out. They normally just burn this, but we're going to use it for Jill's bundle wood. So for the most part, the bark is off it. This is what the beetles call beetle kill spruce. It dies standing, and then they cut it down and it's ready to burn. Well, let's jump back in the Gizmo and we'll take it right over to the back side of the RV park and we'll see what you got going on.
Come on, Isabel. Let's go for a ride. Come on, Izzy. Let's go.
Come on, little dog. So we're slowly getting our wood pile picked up. This is the wood we brought in this past week, the big birch, fresh cut. Brought in 8 loads. Hey, can I get a ride?
Sure, hop in.
We'll take a ride over to the back side of the RV park and see what we got going on. There's some of the older wood is getting slowly going down. There's some of our beautiful cottonwood. So this is what Joel's got going on over here. So this is some of our shorter pieces that we cut up, our crooked logs that won't go through the processor. Some of the stuff is hollow or rotten. We keep it separated out.
Oh, I think, didn't we sell this like the other day? Yeah, I think a guy came around and we sold this for $200. Whatever he can get on his truck or trailer or whatever he's bringing. Get
Oh,
it out, because there's no way I'm lifting some of those logs over here.
so some of these are
Yeah.
28-inch in diameter.
Could you imagine me trying to lift that thing? No way.
And it's rotted, and some of it's rotted and punky in the middle. We just sold the whole pile to a guy up north. He said he'd take the whole pile. He come and looked at it, said he would definitely take it. So we're glad to see that go.
Yeah, that'll be bye-bye.
And then this is the pile that Jill's been working on this past week here. So about 8 cord, I'm guessing, in this pile.
Well, we're trying to get, what, 150, 175 cords of wood drying. We'll sell green wood. We'll cut and split it right into the 550, into the dump truck, or if they have a trailer or whatever. But we want to keep what we have here on the ground or on the pallets and stuff. We want to make sure that we have enough dry wood for the people who want the dry wood.
So this winter, we will, this fall, this will be ready. We're going to have, we've got about 137 to 140 cord done. So we should finish up here by the 1st of May for all of our dry wood. So this is another little pile we've been slowly adding to. So as Jill splits this, I'll take the tractor and bucket, and we can kind of keep track of how many cord we have with how many buckets we have. So 6 big buckets is about a cord. So this is what we added on to, and then this is the pile we did a couple weeks ago. This is the 10 cord pile, and this is starting to dry pretty well. So again, we're over in the old RV park on the other side of the property here. You can see the cell tower in the background on the other side there in the house. So we got a nice lot. You can see Jill's got her boots on.
He does not like my Crocs.
So,
and I love this size, perfect size wood, where you can pick it up and pitch it in. It's not so big to where you can't handle it, or you got to muscle it into the stove.
So, little view of Pinnacle Mountain. So Jill had 29 tractors here at the RV park when she had the RV park for a calling card, and it was at one time the biggest private collection of tractors in Alaska. So
I think I'm down to what, 8 or 9 now?
Yeah, so, and there's King Mountain. We'll get fresh snow on that every day. We had a little bit of rain here this afternoon, so what time is it?
8:30?
It's at least 8:30, yeah. $8:40. It's still nice and bright out.
Hey, come on, let's go. Hurry.
Come on, Izzy.
Hurry. Here.
Come on, let's go. So we'll do our closing now, as soon as she grabs our little woodhound here.
Come on. All right, there you go.
Well, let's take the... So we hope you enjoyed our short video, I guess. Yeah.
And I hope you guys all have a great Easter weekend. Enjoy your family and friends.
And thanks everyone for watching and subscribing and supporting our channel. We do appreciate it. And we'll see you next week. So from the Alaska Woodyard, we keep the sawdust flying. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.